I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make French toast bread updated. Start by gathering thick day-old bread, 2 eggs, 1 cup milk, 1 tsp vanilla and butter. Whisk the eggs, milk, vanilla, and a pinch of salt in a wide bowl until smooth. Dip each slice briefly to soak but not saturate, then fry on medium heat in butter until golden and crisp on both sides for a tender, custardy interior. For flavor, think simple and bold to complement the bread. Try 1 tsp cinnamon or 1 tablespoon orange zest in the custard for brightness. A spoonful of mascarpone or cream cheese folded into the custard adds richness and keeps the center custardy without sogginess. Use fresh berries and 2 tablespoon maple syrup for balance or a light dusting of powdered sugar to finish. These small tweaks make each bite taste intentional and homey. If you're enjoying this video, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing simple kitchen wins. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth changed how many people think about money, and it pairs oddly well with slow weekend breakfasts when you reflect on goals. It's a thoughtful read that might inspire smarter spending and more intentional mornings. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Texture comes from timing and heat control more than ingredients alone. Dip slices for 1 to 2 seconds per side to prevent sogginess if bread is stale or dense. Cook on medium heat, and if needed, cover briefly for 30 seconds to let the center set without overbrowning the exterior. Rest finished slices on a wire rack for 1 minute to keep the crust crisp and the inside tender, giving you reliable restaurant-style results every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.